Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce this 3D printer, which combines computer-aided design and materials processing. We can see the options on the screen. In the settings, you can adjust Wi-Fi, lighting, and so on. We can also manually calibrate the printing table to the appropriate height. Finally, after setting all the printing parameters according to the computer settings, you can click the printing button and our machine will start to print. Well, this makes the traditional way, which was limited in the past, break through the constraints and realize the manufacturing of complex structures.